Y'all, when I'm in the mood for some buffalo chicken dip, but I'm trying to stay away from all the chips and carbs, I like to make a chicken buffalo casserole. I start by shredding up some rotisserie chicken, and for mine, I'm gonna dice up some cowboy candy. All it is some sweet and spicy boiled down jalapenos. It's really, really good if you haven't tried it before. So I'm gonna add some diced jalapenos, equal parts of cream cheese and sour cream, and then I'm adding in some cauliflower rice. It's a great way to add in some vegetables without changing the overall flavor too much. This was my first time using this buffalo sauce, and it actually turned out pretty good. So now I'm gonna add in just a little bit of shredded cheese and add in some seasonings like salt, pepper, and a little bit of chili powder. The green onions are completely optional, but highly recommended. Then I just give everything a really good mix and be sure to taste test before I add to my casserole dish and add any additional seasonings if necessary. Then I just add it to a well-greased casserole dish and add just a little bit more of that shredded cheese on top. I like to bake mine at 375 degrees for about 25 to 30 minutes or until that cheese is super bubbly. This dish is also perfect for meal prepping, so you can enjoy it for lunch or dinner throughout the entire week. I mean, come on, you can't tell me that doesn't look good.